Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. It says 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 4x. Let's find the value of x. Now, when you see this question, a lot of people get confused because there is x as an exponent and there is x in the normal equation. So how do we solve for x? Okay, now there are two methods I'm going to use to do this. I'm going to use the first method, which is called the assumption method. All right, so we're going to assume something and then use it to solve it. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to say is that 2 raised to power x, okay, is equal to 4x. All right, now dividing through by x, we can get that 2 raised to power x over x is equal to 4. All right. Now, 4 is something as 16 divided by 4. Okay, because 4 times 4 is 16. So we can say 2 raised power x divided by x is equal to 16 divided by 4. Okay, now 16 now on the other hand is 2 raised to power 4. Okay, so we can say from here that 2 raised power x divided by x is equal to 2 raised power 4 divided by 4. Now let's compare x4, x4, so we have that x is equal to 4. Okay, this is just one way to solve this, or one way to look at it rather. Now, to be able to solve this and get the remaining answers, let's now go ahead and use a formula known as the Lambert W formula. And how do we apply this Lambert W formula? In the real sense, Lambert W formula just means when we have xe to the power of x to be equal to y, it says we should take the w of both sides. Okay, now this is where the w for the Lambert W formula comes from. The w of both sides, so w of x e to the power of x is equal to w of y. Alright, so solving this using the Lambert W formula, we're going to have, firstly, let's divide through by 2 over 2 raised power x. So we have here divided by 2 raised power x, and this other side divided by 2 raised power x. Okay, now we have 2 raised power x divided 2 raised power x, which is 1, so be equal to 4 times x over 2 raised power x. Okay, now dividing through by 4 on both sides, we have this place divided by 4 and this place divided by 4. Now we have 1 over 4 to be equal to x over 2 raised to the power of x. Alright, now moving on from here, we can say x divided by 2 raised to the power x is equal to 1 over 4. We just interchange the positions. Moving on, we can now say that x, 2 raised to the power x can be expressed as 2 raised to the power negative x is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, from the laws of indices, right? Now, moving on, we can now say that from here, we're going to have, so let me state something. Okay, let me state something here. So if you have ln of 2, for example, to be equal to y, it means that e raised to the power of y is equal to 2. Okay, and what is y? Y is ln of 2, so e raised power ln of 2 is equal to 2. If you're wondering why I wrote e here, ln is something as logarithm in base e. Okay, so that's why you can say e raised power y is equal to 2. All right, so don't get confused. Now let's substitute 2 with e raised power ln of 2 in this question. So we're going to have x multiplied by, so 2 raised power negative x will become e raised to power ln of 2 raised power negative x, just like that, is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, now from here we can now say that x multiplied by e raised to power negative x times ln of 2 is equal to 1 over 4. Again, this is from the laws of logarithm. Alright, now moving on from here, we can have that, let's multiply both sides just to make this and this the same. Let's multiply both sides by negative ln of 2. So we have negative ln of 2 times x is negative x ln of 2, e raised to power negative x ln of 2 to be equal to negative ln of 2 divided by 4. Alright, now at this juncture we have uniformity here, and it's looking like the Lambert's W formula. So let's take the W of both sides. Okay, since you know what W is, let us call it the product log of both sides. Okay, the product log of both sides, and then we have this Alright. So negative x ln of 2 e raised power negative s ln of 2. The product log of this is the same thing as negative x ln of 2 is equal to w of negative ln of 2 divided by 4. Okay. From here, we're going to have that our x now will be equal to w or product log of ln negative ln of 2 divided by 4 like this, divided by, now our x is isolated, so what we have left is negative ln of 2, so we have negative ln of 2. Okay, so this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.